This is part two. So, to continue, our principal, he solely relies on our guidance counselors to provide mental health services at this time because we do not currently have a school psychologist, which is a huge issue. Um, 5 is to form effective interagency partnerships. We have a great partnership with our local ACRP, which deals a lot with behavior and mental health. 6, we do have our school-wide positive behavior support, the PBIS program and the Pride incentive program that deals a lot with those soft skills that aren't necessarily taught within the classroom. 7, we have grade level special education teachers, which create positive behavior support plans for specific students in need. We do not currently have an assessment that measures non-academic skills, and I think that is something that also needs to be addressed along with our school lacking a school psychologist. We have that implementation of career portfolios that the principal makes sure that we are creating and assessing. And finally, our 5-year comprehensive plan, it does include our teachers getting trained on trauma and how to scope that and how to deal with that within the classroom. I think this is especially important now due to COVID-19. Finally, we have my standard correlation. My submission demonstrated correlation to the standard selected by showing knowledge of both academic and non-academic programs within my district. So the research provided increased my content knowledge, even though core standards don't necessarily address the soft skills and awareness of mental health and other 21st century skills. It does become challenging without those skills for students to learn and grow efficiently. This information was relevant to my learning because it definitely allowed me to see the learning barriers that my students do face on a daily basis. And before those issues are addressed, it's hard for learning to occur, and sometimes there can be gaps in that learning. As an administrator, it is our job to lessen the teacher's workload, and by putting on those soft skills and those non-academic activities as another assignment or lesson for the teachers, we need to, as a future principal, find a way to promote the importance of those soft skills and 21st century skills, but find other avenues to put that into teachers' curriculum, maybe do that through our current Pride program. And finally, my reflection, this assignment, it will influence the decisions I make as a future school leader by remembering to always put the students in their current situation first and foremost. Maybe that is trauma-based, maybe that is, if it's not trauma-based, it could be related to mental health, and those issues definitely need to be broken. The barriers need to be broken to teach efficiently to those students. Our district definitely needs to find a school psychologist. That would be one of my main concerns coming in as principal, is finding that school psychologist. And additionally, maybe adding a specials or enrichment course for our school guidance counselor on career readiness and those soft skills and other non-academic standards that are expressed through the research but aren't necessarily hit within the classroom already. And there's my works cited. Thank you very much.